The Christmas card kit includes 30 greeting cards and a whole bunch of other stuff. So let me just start with what the greeting card looks like so you know what to expect with that. When you send it to your loved ones, this is what they're going to get. And so just to give you an idea, when they open up the envelope, they're going to pull one of the cards out. And around the card is a band that holds everything together. And so they would slip this off, and it's self-adhesive. You'll see that when you get the product. And then it opens up. And then inside, this is the main card, which we've included rub-ons, epoxy stickers, and these clear embellishments that you can staple on. This is the main card where you can, if you want to write a personal message to the loved one, the back has really subtle lines on it, and so you can do that. And then at the top we've included all of these tabs, and you can put here, you can put your family name or the date, 2008 or whatever you want. And then you can also include your picture, and then we've also included newsletter paper that is 8.5 by 11 and will fit right in your printer, so you can print a newsletter. So that's how the card works. There are 3 different designs. That was one of them that I just showed you. This is another one. It kind of is a fun Christmas ornament idea. And then the other one looks like this. And the same thing, including the clear embellishments and the epoxy stickers, and there are rub-ons as well. So these are the envelopes. There are 30 of them because there are 30 cards. And then the newsletter that I told you about, there's 30 sheets of that, and they're all ready to go into your printer. And there are also a couple sheets of self-adhesive tabs or labels so that you can put these right directly onto your gifts. And so that's going to come in handy for gift giving. Then we also included a bunch of these chipboard tags. So there's 3 different designs and a lot of these. And this is really cute for neighbor gifts, where you could just tie a piece of string or ribbon through the hole and tie that around a plate of cookies or any sort of gifts, anything that you want. So there's a bunch of those. And then let me just show you some other things that you're getting. Speaking of neighbor gifts and smaller items like that for the holidays, these are a lot of little gift cards that you can give. This is the envelope, and you can tell just by the scale to my hands how big they are. I think they're 3 by 4, really just kind of a cute small size. This is great for just small notes, and you can see all of the cards that you get and all of the envelopes to go with that. You also get these small note cards as well. There's a bunch of those, 3 different designs. Here's the envelope, and these are even smaller. These are 3 by 3. So these are perfect for just dropping them with small gifts. And then the other thing that you're going to get is CD envelopes. It's the perfect size to ship envelopes. So when the recipient receives it, they'll open it up, and then in it they are going to open this, and then that's lined right here where you can actually write your message, and then it has this little holder in it, which of course is where you can place the CD or DVD that you're mailing. So that's everything that you're getting in the kit, and just to give you an idea of how it's organized, you will receive a package of each card's components. So all of card 1 is grouped together, all of card 2 is grouped together, as well as card 3. So that's everything, 30 cards, 3 different designs, and lots of extra stuff for all sorts of gift giving and card giving needs.